we're off. Here we go. Let's all watch these for about 20 seconds and see if they do anything. Good job, robots. Keep it up. Yep.
They're doing such a good job.
Yeah!
At a staring contest in between Overclocked and the Perfect Paradox. Who wins?
I say this becomes a dance fight right now.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. I love how there's so many different theories in between these robots. You see some that the center of the robot spins back and forth and they don't have to turn around. Others do quick wheelies back and forth. Pretty awesome.
Still others rely on the magic of friendship.
Rainbows and unicorns. Red and blue, let's go guys. We're fighting over this middle section in here. Who gets the most junctions? Who's winning? Got a couple with blue, a couple with red. And red says, nope, mine. Oh! Almost. Let's go, red lines. We just passed the 1 minute mark. You got 50 seconds left.
Robominers are a little high-centered here. A little bit of trouble. We'll see if they can pull it out.
I wonder how many blue cones they can put on this one terminal.
And they're off. They're off their obstacle.
Junction, sorry, junction. 30 seconds left, you're in the end game. And we have a couple beacons coming out. A couple beacons. Oh, are they going to steal it? Oh! Oh, come on. No, yes, no, yes, no. Maybe, possibly, no. Are they going to get it first? Oh! And it's stolen by red. Get on there, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Game over.